Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am proud to show you a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Now, this beautiful car is finished in the correct code 76 Daytona yellow with code 727 white interior. This is a real Z28. It is a black vinyl top car. As you can see, it has the correct rally wheels on it with the Goodyear wide tread GT tires, raised white letter tires. It's got the correct black stripes on it. This car is a rotisserie restored 1969 Z. It has the correct intake. It has the correct heads. It has the correct carburetor. The car was built in the first week of February in 1969. DZ carb, 186 casting heads, correct intake chamber exhaust. Man, what a great car. DZ 302 engine, Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt rear end, power disc brakes. You can see just the quality of this car. Very, very nice car. You can see everything on the car was redone, new horns and radiator and fan shroud and fan and clutch, and just a gorgeous automobile. The white interior in this car just sets it off for me. The body and paint on this car, very, very nice. I don't see any imperfections in the paint on this car that I can speak of. I'm walking around it here with a fine-tooth comb trying to find something for you, but I really haven't found anything that I see any chips, any scratches, any dings. The glass in this car is all in beautiful shape. The top's in beautiful shape. You will see I got one piece of trim up here that I ordered a new piece because I was driving it down the road and that piece of trim went flying off somewhere. So sun visors, dome light, package tray, all the interiors all redone. New door panels, carpet, seats, rear panels. All the seat belts are intact just like they should be. The door jambs are nice. Go. Show you the inside of the trunk here quick. Nice matte spackle paint. Nicely done on the top side of the trunk. There we go. Jump inside here and see some of the interior features. Four-speed, Hurst shifter. Dash lights. Left turn, right turn. Wipers. Horn. Not sure if the radio works. We'll see. Not making any guarantees on that AM radio, folks. show board for it. Sail panels, package tray, headliner, all in real good shape. Sign back in here. Looks like all the interior functions work in the car except for the radio. There's your right turn signal. What a gorgeous car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars every day. So give us a call if you want to buy this beautiful 1969 Daytona yellow Z28 Camaro, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. Again, 563-452-2450, kenyonauto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, everyone. And if you have a collector car you'd like to sell, a muscle car you'd like to sell, please give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your car as well. I hope you all have a great afternoon. And I'm going to come right back with you here in just a little bit with another great quality collector car. Man, it don't get much better than that, folks. 69 Daytona Yellow Z. Chambered exhaust. Man, that sounds great. Kenyon Classics, kenyonauto.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Talk to you soon.